Hi guys, so we were solving 2D dynamic problems. Today we will continue with that. So yesterday we have solved these three problems using dynamic programming, 2D dynamic programming. Today we will start with the coin change 2. Okay, let's see what the problem says. You are given an integer array coins representing coins of different denominations, okay, and integer amount representing the total amount of money. Okay, so these are the coins, means this is a 1 rupee coin, this is a 2 rupee coin, this is a 5 rupee coin, and total amount is 5. Okay, return the number of combinations that make up that amount. If that amount of money cannot be made by any combination, return 0. You may assume that you have infinite number of each kind of coin. The answer is guaranteed to fit in a signed 32-bit integer. Okay, so the problem is saying we need to return the ways, means we have infinite supply of these coins, means we have infinite number of one coin, infinite number of two coin and five coin, and we need to make a total amount of 5. So how many ways we can do that? Okay, so here are 4 ways for this particular problem. First way is we take the 5 rupee coin, then we can have total amount of 5. Or what we can do, we can take two coins of 2 rupees and one coin of 1 rupee, then the total amount will be 5. And other is this, and that other is this. Okay, so here we have only 2 rupee coin and we need to make amount 3. If we take one coin, the amount is 2. If we take two coins, the amount is 4. So we cannot make a 3 amount, so that's why our output is 0. The amount of coin. Okay, so here the we have only one way. We can use this 10 rupee coin and amount will be 10. Okay, so basically what we can do is we can try every combination using dynamic programming and see if that combination can be made or not. So let's call our function find change. This is the amount we need to pass, and this is the coins array. Wait a second, initially we are at 0th position in coins. This amount we need to make, and this is the coins array. Private int find change, int 0. 0 is the amount, sorry, index. Initially we are at so we are at 0th index initially. Int amount, this is the amount, and int coins, this is the number of coins we have. Okay, so we need to write the base condition. So wait, base conditions will be something like suppose if our amount becomes 0, that means we have found the way to make the amount 0. Means what we gonna do is we gonna take up a coin and we gonna subtract that from the amount. Suppose we have taken up the 5 rupee coin and subtract from the amount, so we will be left with the 0, means we have made the amount. So that means we have collected all the coins which made this amount, so we can return 1, meaning we have found a way. Otherwise other base condition will be if our index is greater than the coin's length. What that means is we have iterated the whole coins array and we haven't found any way to make the amount 0, so we will return 0, that we have not found any way. Okay, so these are the base conditions. So now let's write down the main core logic. So first we will write the skip function. So what skip function will do, so we will skip a particular, we have a choice, means if we can take a particular coins, means it not necessarily then that we take a coin at which position we are, so we can skip that coin. So we have two conditions, that first will be we can skip that coin, and then check that how many ways will be there uh, when we decide to skip the current coin. So let's call this skip. So when we call skip, we will move to the next coin, and our amount will remain same, and we will pass the coins array. Okay, and now other option we will have is the take option, that we should take the current coin, but we can only take the current coin if current coin's value is smaller than or equal to the amount which we are left. Otherwise our amount will become greater if we choose the current coin. So we will check if the current coin is smaller than, or equal to the amount. If it is true, then we can take the current, let's say current amount. So let's call the take, means we decide to take the current amount. If we take current coin, means we are taking current coin, then we according to question we can again take that coin. So we will not increment our index, we will it is possible that we will reconsider a coin. So what we will do is we will not increase our index, but we should decrease our amount. So decreasing amount means the value of the current coin, and we can pass the coins array. So now we need to find maximum of means addition of these values, means skipping a coin and taking a coin. So we can add that to our skip function, skip value, means these are the number of the ways when we skip the particular coin, and this is the way when we take the current coin. So we can add these ways, and at the end we can return skip. So let's see if this works. Okay, we need to return this function. Okay, so this is correct, but we need to memorize it. Okay, so we, as two variables are changing in our call, so we need to take a 2D DP where one parameter will be the length of this coins array because index is changing, other is the maximum amount, total amount we can have. So this is the amount, maximum amount. So in 10, sorry, coins dot length, and this will be this much because our amount can be 5000. So we need an index of 5000, so we are adding 1 to it, and we need to initialize it with -1. Arrays dot fill this array with -1. So we have initialized dp with the -1. Let's pass dp in our function call. So what we will do, we will check in our dp if this particular state we have already calculated or not. If dp of idx and amount is not equal to -1, that means we have already calculated it, so we can return its value. Otherwise at the end of the our calculations we can store this value if we haven't already calculated it, so we can store this value. Okay, let's run this. So we need to pass it into function calls also. Okay, let's submit our approach. Okay, so this was the problem, coins changed to. Okay, so the next problem is target sum.